Don't Dance on My Grave by Mayborn Lyngdoh. When Jesus Christ died, a commotion erupted. The rejoicing enemies blew trumpets of chardonnay. It's over. That's the last of him. It is finished. You gamble, my shame, cock-doodle-doo. Don't dance on my grave just yet. I am not dead. It was finished. The will of the Father completed. He died, conquered death, rose again. Principe love, unconditionally praise. The Christian life attracts trials and tribulations, for mountains are meant to be conquered. They whip and strip, the flesh and the blood drip. Not every loss is a defeat. Broken, not vanquished, humbled by love. Don't dance on my grave just yet. I am not dead. I have met with countless ungrateful winds who sharpen the edge at my stable. The nameless gypsies and vagabonds, the snakes I offered my bowl of milk. Warm heart I prepared, called them comrades, but Cain's seed so deep, Abel bled for jealousy. Deluded by the taste of mere success, Icarus's emerald fell from the sky. Success is as temporary as the beautiful dawn. Listen, the ominous silence beckoning you home. Life is cyclical. We're mere partakers of dusk and dawn. Don't dance on my grave just yet. I am not dead.